Entrepreneurs who are tired of working on leads that simply suck. Ones that don't pick up the phone, they're a waste of time, a waste of energy. They're on the fence shopping around and they do not end up proceeding with you, no matter how hard you try or adjust your strategy. This is for you. If you want to build a proprietary system within your business that is going to bring in the highest quality of inbound leads, then you got to listen to this, because it's time you stop doing outbound and you focus on inbound for clients that are actively looking for what you have to offer. There's three main places on the internet where all of searches realistically happen: Google, Bing, and Yahoo search. These are three search engines where almost 90% of what people are looking to do, whether it's hire someone, buy a product, anything they realistically want to do, they're going to search for it. That's why when you rank number one for when someone searches for your service or your product, they're going to click on your result, and that's going to lead to more revenue and more dollars in your bank account just by being there. We can help you do that within 90 days. Now, why would you want to do SEO with my team at Variance Marketing? You want to do SEO with us because we have access to one of the highest quality link databases that exists. It's essentially a database of links since 2017 that we've been doing SEO that stays on top of the curve, stays on top of the algorithms. Anything that changes within Google's search algorithms automatically get adjusted on this link database. And it's a high quality list of websites that are high domain authority, very good age, that carry a lot of authority with them, and we get you backlinks from this database. It's a very specialized proprietary database, and it leads to fast results within Google, and that's why we get rankings within 90 days. We're not deploying black hat strategies that are just going to get you fast results and then taper off your results later and lead to nothing in the long run. We care about white hat strategies that are 100% kosher in the eyes of Google and what Google wants from your website, thus leading to more perpetual and long-term results. We're trying to rank you for what we like to call high conversion keyword. When people are in the buying mode for your service, what are they typing in on Google? That's what we want to understand here. When they're ready to buy, they already have seeked the alternatives and looked at and researched all the alternatives, and they've arrived at a decision saying, I want to buy, or I want to hire this company to do this for me. What are they typing in Google? And that's the question. And so we rank you for those things that they're typing. So an example would be, someone was looking for a blog post on how to run Facebook ads. They would literally type in on Google, how to run Facebook ads, right? Whereas if they were looking to pull out their wallet and hire a company to do Facebook ads for them, they would type in Facebook advertising services, and then Toronto maybe, or whatever their city is, New York, to hire a local company that can do that for them. They have their wallet ready. They're ready to purchase. There's that conversion intent. So all of our SEO strategies, not just to get you more traffic. Sure, you're going to get a lot more search traffic. We want it to be targeted for the right stage of the buyer journey, which is the conversion stage. We want people already wanting to close with you and searching the terms that lead to people actually converting with you and becoming your client. And so that's what's, separates our SEO strategy versus the masses and our competitors, is that we gear the strategy towards you getting more revenue. That's why in our reporting, we're tracking goal conversions. We understand how much revenue you're making just by the web analytics that we have. So we'll report back to you every single month on how many leads you're getting, how much revenue that's translating to, what's the attribution look like, and essentially what does the full picture look like from your inbound search strategy, right? Content's really important. We got to be pumping out new pages, new target pages, new inner pages, new blog pages. There's tons of content we have to produce, but the number one thing is that all of our content is data driven. So we're already analyzing what content performed the best for all of your competitors first. And based on the content that performed the best for all your competitors, we're grabbing those content topics and repurposing your content based on data, right? And the other thing is, look, most SEO companies are going to just focus on Google, right? We're getting you ranking on Google, on Bing, on Yahoo search. It's a more all-encompassing strategy trying to qualify for the most amount of traffic to hit your website, right? Why are we only working on Google when we can tap into these other search engines that are significantly easier to rank in because there's less competitors? Now, our process is very simple. It all starts with the keyword research phase. Now, when it comes to keywords, we're looking at three things: search volume. How often is this keyword searched? Search intent, which is what are they looking to do with that search? What's the intent? Are they looking to buy? We want there to be high sales intent. So search intent is important. And last but not least, competition level. How many competitors and what's the authority of those competitors that are ranking for those specific keywords we're trying to select. After we select your keywords and we understand what the targets are going to be for the campaign, we then go ahead and get all the required access we're going to need. Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Google Search Console, backend access to your website, and a few other platforms that we'll suggest on our onboarding call. You give us that access, we then go ahead and we start producing pages on your website that are called the target pages. These are the pages that we're going to rank for each individual term that we're looking to select. And we typically select with any given SEO campaign 30 to 80 keywords to start. Once we develop these pages and they're completely on your website, we index them with Google, meaning we submit them to the search engine. We then build their popularity footprint by getting other websites online to talk about those individual pages we created. They're going to be linking to those pages, meaning having a hyperlink somewhere on their website, linking back to your website, specifically that page that we created for that keyword. And we do that over and over and over again across all the pages so that all the keywords start ranking. It takes about 2-3 months to start seeing the initial rankings come in. But once those initial rankings come in, you're going to see leads rolling in like hotcakes, and it's going to be the most fun experience you've ever had in your entire business. And that's a promise. We also cover things like your technical SEO. So this would be like your load speed. This would be like your server response times, your 404 errors, your URL optimization, your schema markups, and the list goes on and on. There's hundreds of things when it comes to technical SEO that we need to be optimizing for you on a consistent basis. So all of those things are accounted for when we do your SEO. So if you work with us, you're going to be in tip-top shape. You're going to have fantastic rankings, ranking number 1, 2, or 3 in Google for tons of keywords. And those keywords are going to lead to new customers searching for you, finding your website, becoming your customer, no questions asked, easy to proceed with, easy lead quality, strong customer across the board, and your best channel. So if you're tired of only focusing on outbound strategies like advertisements, cold calling, outreach, and all these other systems that are great, but don't bring in the highest quality leads, then it's time for you to focus on SEO, and there's no better place to do it. And because you're watching this, you're probably a first-time client, so we want to give you an offer. Typically, we only sign 6 or 12-month contracts when it comes to SEO. Because you're a first-time client, we're going to give it to you month to month. And this is a one-time opportunity for a first-time client to get contracts for the next 30 days, month to month with us, so you can see how fast our SEO results are. All you got to do is click that link below, and I will personally see you on the other side. We'll get you started. We'll get you ranking. We'll get you lots of customers, and we'll get it done quickly. Just take a look at what Luke from Mosey.io had to say about our SEO.
Personally, I think everything that you're doing right now is fantastic. I think that in terms of getting this up, like I would have had no idea how to do SEO. The thing is, I've never worked with another SEO company because it's always been like kind of like relatively pricey. Like it's $2,000 and I would just never know what the actual results were going to be. But I've trusted you because I've seen you in the market. Like I've seen referrals to you and like I've heard your name out there. So that's why I came here to give it a shot. And you're definitely performing. Like I'm seeing more traffic to the website as you're showing here. You put it all into, you're really organized with how you do everything. Tristan's been absolutely fantastic doing this different type of stuff as well. And like making sure that we're always on pace, sending us all things, following up with us, even though like we're super busy, making sure that we know that this is a priority. So all in all, fantastic experience and definitely want to keep doing it. I would definitely recommend you thinking about it now too. I haven't SEO never really comes up in my circle, but I know a lot of other founders. I will definitely start reaching out to them and sending out referrals. I really appreciate everything you're doing. You guys are a pleasure to work with.
Or take a look at what Michael had to say from Fua right here. If that didn't get you, then you have to take a look at what Ethan had to say about our SEO services here and the countless other clients we work with on a consistent basis. By the way, we have a massive case study booklet available upon request. It has like over 300 websites that we got to the first page of Google, how long it took, how much revenue they made, all tracked. So if you want that, just request that from us once you go ahead and book a call with us below. But nonetheless, I think you're going to love working with us because we're a great team. You're going to have a dedicated client success manager assigned to your account, and her job is just making sure that you get results on a consistent basis, making sure you're informed, you understand what we're doing next, what we've done in the past, what the game plan is, what the KPIs are. And our reporting is also fully in real time and it's completely automated. So you can see how many leads you're getting, how much revenue you're producing, all within real time, all tracked through the website. We'll show you exactly how we do that. So nonetheless, what a pleasure it was for you to be here watching this video. Go ahead and click the link below. Let's get you on a month-to-month SEO plan with us. where we can show you that within just 90 days, be a top ranked competitor within your niche, bringing in tons of new leads, tons of new sales, tons of new clients regularly, not outbound, but inbound. They're coming to you. They know what they want. You happen to provide it. It's just time to get that exposure. Without further ado, click that link below. I will see you on the other side, my friend, and let's make you our next SEO case study, okay? You have a great day. Cheers.